Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team and today we're going to be drawing something that goes tick-tock. Any guesses what that might be? Usually you use it to tell the time. That's right, it's a clock. Let's draw one together. To start our drawing, we're going to draw a dot in the middle of the page. Now, to draw our clock, we're going to draw a big circle. But this might be quite hard. So I'm going to use a tool to help me. This is a masking tape and I'm going to place that so the dot is in the middle. You can use anything else. You could use maybe a cup you have, or a mug, or a tape like I am. There we go. So we've got our circle. And just like that. And now I'm just going to keep that on there. And I'll tell you why. And that might be why it's a good idea actually to use tape, so you can use the inside and the outside, because a glass, you'd be blocked. So now I'm actually going to draw around the outside of our tape. Just like that. Let's reveal what we have. Ta-da! There we go. We have our clock shape, which is perfect. Perfect circle. Now I'm going to draw the hands. You can draw yours at whatever time you like. I'm going to draw mine one big one up for 12 o'clock. Well, on the 12, and then I'm going to draw a smaller one here. And you'll see what time that is later on when I add the numbers on at the end. Let's colour our clock in. And there we have our clock. Mine says it's 2 o'clock and I've drawn a little second indicator going all the way up, which is 45 seconds. What type of clock did you draw? Was it an alarm clock? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. You can also head to diy.org to access fun, creative tools. Watch courses online with loads of different subjects and share your creations with other like-minded kids.
Thanks for watching, see you next time.